Colors show Ishq Mein Mar Jawan 2 is one of the most popular daily soaps of the small screen. The show has witnessed several twists and turns in the story, leaving the viewers surprised. Heli Shah, Rahul Sudhir, and Vishal Vashishta are giving stellar performances on the show. From Kabir's changing personality to Ridhima and Vansh's changing equation, Ishq Mein Mar Jawan 2 had a roller coaster journey so far. Fans are loving Vansh and Ridhima's jodi and waiting to see them reunite forever. However, things won't be easy for the duo as they will have to face a lot of obstacles before they unite. Currently, the viewers of Ishq Mein Mar Jawan 2 are seeing critical times in Vansh and Ridhima's life. Ridhima is regretting for the time she helped Kabir and hand over Ragini to him. Ridhima realized her mistakes knowing how Vansh was protecting Ragini and Ragini only knew his mother's real culprit. Ridhima then takes an oath to catch the real culprit, also help the love of her life Vansh and save Ragini. Just then, Ridhima catches hold of the mystery person who is keeping an spy eye on her for a very long time. Ridhima recklessly runs and finally manages to catch the new mystery person. What is going to shock Ridhima is that the person is Vansh's new hidden partner in crime in his games. Ridhima is going to face a big shock at seeing the person because that person is closest to her. She is getting one shock after the other. The trust she had in Kabir is broken, and the same might happen with Vansh too. Will Ridhima be able to cope up with this betrayal? Will Ridhima's trust be broken forever? Is this Vansh's new plan to trap Ridhima, or is he doing this on purpose? Is this the end of Vansh and Ridhima's relationship? Has Kabir to do anything with all this? What do you think? Do let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the latest updates.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telechucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.